Hi, kindergarten artists. Today we're going to learn about the color wheel. There are three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. And when you mix two of them together, you get secondary colors, orange, green, and purple. So today we're going to make a fun color wheel of birds. And I'm going to use paint. You can use crayons if you like. I'm not sure if markers will work. If that's all you have, then you don't need to mix the colors. You can just color them in. Okay, let's get started. Okay, artists, I have my paper and I'm ready to get started. So we're going to draw birds for our color wheel. So this is a color wheel, and I think we've talked about this before. In the color wheel, we have three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. And when you mix two of those primary colors together, you get a secondary color. For example, you mix red and yellow, you get orange. You mix red and blue, you get purple. You mix blue and yellow, and you get green. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with that. So first, I'm gonna draw shapes for my birds. I'm gonna do circle here, circle here, a circle here, circle here, circle here, and a circle here. So it kind of looks like we're going in the order of the color wheel, okay? Each bird is gonna have a beak. I'm gonna give each bird eyes. They're all kind of looking at each other. Okay, and they're gonna have some legs. However you want to do them is fine. Okay, oops, forgot this guy. Well, we're not gonna see his legs because no, let's put him over here. There we go. In the back of his head. And you can give them feathers if you want. You can add your own feathers. You don't have to do what I'm doing. Like it's their little feathers on each side. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my paint because it's easier for me to mix with. And I'm gonna kind of follow like the color wheel. So the first one on the top, I'm gonna paint red. Primary color, red. Okay, then I'm gonna skip one because when you're mixing primary colors in the color wheel, it shows in between which color it makes. So my next one, I'm going to paint yellow. Okay, and then I'm gonna skip the next one, and this one is going to be primary color blue. Okay, so now I have an empty one here, so I'm gonna mix these two colors. I'm gonna mix yellow and red, but I'm gonna start with the yellow because it's lighter. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of red to it. And let's see what happens. Oh, I'm mixing, and look, I made what color? Orange. Maybe you can even add a little bit more red. Just don't paint too much in one spot because you'll make a hole in the paper. Okay, now I'm gonna mix yellow and blue. And again, I'm gonna start with that lighter color yellow. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit of blue and see what happens. And I'm mixing up, look at that. I made the color green, magic. I wash my brush again. Now I'm gonna mix the last two, the blue and the red. I'm gonna start with the red because it's a lighter color. Wash my brush, get a little bit of blue, mix some blue on there. And what color am I getting? Wow, look at that, I made purple. Isn't that awesome? And I'm gonna go in and I already have some orange here. And I'm just gonna, make their beaks orange, if I can get that color going. So if you notice, we painted the three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. And then we mixed red and yellow, we made orange, we mixed yellow and blue, we made green, and we mixed red and blue, we made purple. And there's our color wheel. So please don't forget to send me a picture of yours. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Thanks, bye-bye.